papa no wusika sano dia wo perfect ho wi asibia wo man iska obeye oni principle oni ideology oni loyalty oni mwe oni de duoni ma eni sika enti ade akro no nya adwene wo ho no wo man sika ono obeye adwene papa no wo man sika dia ompe kura no obeye de amawo papa wo yi already Jacob papa Yesu abuso ne yenwuram ye bedi nkomopa na munyanto base ma meso se waba na wa share video no na wa like na wa comment unsubscribe to this channel so a meso wa se bomoja na subscribe na beka abusuakuo kese no ho Ras Media abusuakuo no egusu a ye koye nim kakra ye develop kakra ye develop Mia Evans Jaben memo akwa pa me maame Gladys Ajay wonso memo akwa sanso na Facebook Ernest Bawua mechiao ena Ado Douglas wonso mechiao ye pa mo akwa abusu na matena konwa ma de amede nam nyina ne se Kennedy Japan Iwia Samijasi from Hamburg mechiao ye pa mo akwa matena se na de wo nyina se Kennedy Japan ne ho aba asem kese pa ne ho asem kese aba nyina ne se Byran Acheampong na ano meka asem bi wo platform we so say to January 31st promises ni we are ena metimi abiensem no mu ye because this time empese mekwa akofa problem dia ba MPP party no but me minim de ekoso party no me minim de ntia na nipa num ahuru agina se omo be contest sa nipa num na omo ahuru agina ho no emu nan omo adwene do mutim baako pe ene ye wa mana wa ye na adwene so person say party no na me ntumi nka sa asem no nko deep kese because me pesa amanfo benya trekeshe no me say Kennedy Japan 2026 31st January wan hu yobedana la nchemanten de ntia ma me kan sa ne say adutwim kwabena je Japan Byran Acheampong ankasa no abusiama me papa say ohwa na ombeto eja e de fama eye normal but there is something secret mintimi mie ho asem enchiro sese after 31st January meba na maba ba chiro mu but na me no ka say eye secret kese pa entino don't worry se Byran Acheampong ebeto ja editia Dr. Bawumia don't forget about it se kwabena je Japan beto ja de man Dr. Bawumia forget about it say yawadu twim ebeto ja de ma yewura Dr. Bawumia bane nkosu twabo mane nye wasem after 31st January no meba betena dwa we mu na ma kirewo the reason why ya allowed it to flow don't worry about it so what am I say do not worry about what Byran Japan adutwim and Byran Acheampong will say about Dr. Bawumia because we are in politics. Politics is dynamics. Politics is trickish. And to the ekosono, if you have a political eye, you actually understand. Now, let's go deep into why we are here today. Imami Jennifer Edu Mwakwa Bapa. Abusadi enti amatranse na ne say Kennedy Japan. Me kan kire at the beginning say oye papa bi a oni obi kasa asem edi kan fi na no ba ene so no no wusika. Enti ni sika owo no se wonni bi nchen na aka wano tum na se wo bi so chen na wo ye ne tamfo is that correct? Yes. Na nsem bi bo baba free Byran Acheampong ne camp di akwa kosi ni se pra ye 2023 primaries ni wie ye no Kennedy Japan ye na adwene so no de onsi form enkonkoye campaign emfa mayewura Dr. Bawumia na asem we no Kennedy sha ase ana oka no in fact me maame estakebari maame mo akwa bapa Kennedy sha ase oka nsem we no MPP form painfo akuku damfo mo wo party no mu na mo dwene ho mo ntia se na obi a wo abase wo ba be contest se potentially yema wo medi party nanim yakwa akoto aba no democratically one man one vote ena ya to atia wo tie nti a watwe ho se wo mra na ma meye campaign enipa hodo ena nteko kene Japan fie several times say the SCBR no onya amanenka because ono no Kennedy no yeto abani wie no no ankasa ba bonten be ka kire every MPP person and every Kennedy Japan supporter be say abato na yeto ye no it was free and fair into the win of Dr. Bawumia no right and the most yen can say transparent procedure and omode to about Dr. Bawumia and to him no he has accepted it. Papa you can't same way no. Yewura Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia, the former president then, Yewura Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Kennedy Japan, etimi gyina nipa amansan anim, domanim, etiatia mu bubo mudin, Bawumia, I will give you showdown. Akufo-Addo, I will give you showdown. Bawumia, proposition ako, memo what no opposition. Even after all these things, you know, Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia and Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo timika say, okay, se papa na ba bontian ba beke say the elections were free and fair there. And ye yenso yede ne boni nyina yeden ache no because omodwene say bia na papa ne fili say enam sena na Addo ewo power ntino they may use the power to what to teach him and answer say the best no. So they took it as okay normal. He was doing that because na osuro say bia ye beche kire nsa e de agunachi. Eno mu nyina emma bibia kotikoda say there is no problem. You're welcome back to the party. You are part of us. Ye ne wa na ananti ababeduru ene. Esa bio miya Ivan Sankama me mwakwaba Mr. Anthony mwakwaba. 1 year ago kura na wupo na wo campaign ma Dr. Bawumia abra na ye nyanko promise wona na wo kese Bawumia should lead. Enti se sa na tie dia ene Mura Kennedy come back to the party and let's work together. Kennedy said that he will never campaign. Or not there, he is not going to campaign. Now when him the entire Kennedy didn't mean campaigning. Let me explain some things to you. The entire known to mean campaigning say na nim guasie atu papa no. Miwia nimo Kevin, memo akwa pa ene habayede. Sa na nim guasie bi atu Kennedy Japan. Ewo nkokoama. Yeah, you're welcome. Miwia nimako. Sana nim guasie kese bi atu Kennedy. Ewo nkokoama. Maami ama wonso mu akwa papa. Na emma ne kwan manenye den entumi enkata ne pride so ma bonten meka samfama MPP because na Kennedy ankasa aton MPP party no in negative way. Wakeka nsama hodo nsama na etan e de akira MPP fo ma. Kan hu se promise no ye kwa enye Ghana fo na ni omo kasa o. That is the first step for any MPP fo ma ne kasa. Entina Kennedy adikan aka nsama ho etan e de afa Yewura na Addo so Dr. Bawumia so and all the party executives say omunyina omo ya akromfo. Enti as a human being thinking as a real human being with this no the man fair to say on to me sign konkrofo na okose na Addo ne Dr. Bawumia ne MPP fo mpanfo eho kire wo no on to me sign koho emfa nanim enko kan kire mo say monto aba emfa masa enipa we enti Kennedy say onko na listen to me very carefully that be am catch you say papa we no oni adamfo oni loyalty ono de hia no a eni sika enti your friend interest but be an interest one he don't look in the face of nobody me be made na see ye obia wadwenem wakumam wunipaduam who feel guilty because of what you have said against Dr. Bawumia. Papa wait to meet na sima ye di sika bedada no mane sori ko gina so kwa koye campaign e de am Dr. Bawumia. Even though na okogina platform so a na wutumi hu ni pefe say papa we platform ye ogina so yi enye ni pemu na ogina so. Temiye pa Now who say Kennedy said the union name Kennedy Japan obejina platform so a kwanya obefa so energize enkrofo kwanya obefa so asa na asa obia won master aja papa yi kojina so kwe campaign na Dr. Bawumia eduru obi ati said the order eduru ba bia o say otan kwadu ana wayi na America bubu baby nom and mompa the MPP for I say, what is wrong with this man? Papa mame. Men pese metwe wako achidi. Sana de nam so Kennedy Japan san ko gina platform so. E deceive on one kasa ne personal pride no nen say. Byran Acheampong e man 5 million Ghana cedis. Enti Byran Acheampong man 5 million Ghana cedis ne de yewura odene ho osikani 7,000 workers period. Epaja ni muko DMPP campaign chise okwakoye campaign. Na de na wo mu ne say platforms na no gina so na oye campaign no. Na enye because say oye campaign say he believe say MPP should come in and win the election. No. Na de oyo no sa na ya bone pa. Yeah. Kennedy Japan. Sana ye pawremfo bi na papa ya kwa akwaje. Mama yamba. Enti ade a wompe, ade a okokompe, ade a wadwene mpe. Enti ye ma osika obeyo. Pacho muntie mi pa o. Obi also a honest politician. He is the most honest politician that we have in the country. Ghana at heart, Ghana first, employment for Ghanaian youth. Papa we nsem we nyina chi no otumi tena asema na ne yonko akora keto Byran Acheampong at the 5 million eto ne pride e mani ko gina MPP campaign platform so e sand ne techrema e fantasura wategu from emene e mani ye. This is whom we call Kennedy Acheampong. Na e mani nyonwa. I'm coming to play videos to you. I'm coming to tell you the entire American church say the entire no original platform so no na ye only because of the money that was being given to him. Because bro original platform no so na all ye dede no na all kasa de ma MPP no na wato ne nkrofo su guma o mo so no mu ye adwuma fon editia Kennedy Dr. Bawumia the presidency. Enti eda di pefe say the man was there just because ono ankasa ni yamuba Byran Acheampong atumi ato ni yankana say pride with 5 million Ghana cedis. And so far as an insaka 5 million Ghana cedis in there, he has no other choice than to join the campaign, even though na dream na kumam na oni achire. Because papa ni kan chire say ye there. Prime Minister so lusu on free party no. But he will be in the party and obetete party no. So the man was sitting there already has organized Ninkrofo across the country. Ebirum wa broche no mufre fie e de pressure ma voters, especially Asantefo binom a South Africa, ebirum wa America, ebirum wa United Kingdom. Kennedy nkrofo ebinom wo Switzerland ebinom wo France ha ebinom kura wo Italy man we mu sans na ebinom wo Austria minima mi bia ye frɛ ne daache hema maame na enne oton konkonte ochina na oton mmore ade abechi na oton dokono ade abechi biem na oton bibidro after 2 months time obekɔ na ogina mpo ano so yosofo ba ye fene daache hema ufuna nima he oya obantu de mintumi nka bibi nkyere no sama we nom ebiti se amari akwaboadu sama we nom they were in Europe here and they were calling back home in Ghana telling people not to go and vote for Dr. Bawumia. They were giving them money but sabreno not because of Kennedy Japan's nisika kakro benyantino na wakwa kujina platform so say oh ye campaign edi ama MPP amanyuku no ni nyina no na ya danko dada ho ade ni nyina what na ya danko dada ade adanko dada ade American asikyere ne say Kennedy Acheampong to me for a microphone. The last ready of the MPP being no can say, Uta or Kodria no way in America. Why now time no? Or see Dr. Bawumia na metano. Uta or Kodria no way in America. Dr. Bawumia ni campaign a why ye a very massive. And Kennedy 3 months before, no Timiko General Radio so a defended COVID. Kennedy Acheampong 4 months before, no to me chirem. How well Dr. Bawumia has managed the economy. Kennedy Acheampong no timi kwaji receipt from America. Okoto ade wa America ji who receipt the Betrani TV so and the chile Ghana for the difference of pricing before COVID and after COVID, you know, all of a sudden na papa we etimi kujina platform so a ontumi nya sembi nka nkyere Ghana for the nti omonto aba emfama MPP the obetumi aka ne say Dr. Bawumia aye massive campaign enti ento aba ma no minya bema obi adwene ne nyansa wo utim. Can this message convince you to vote for a person to come and lead the country? It's no. It's bogusly no, and it is surely impossible say obetumi convince with this simple message so bi nkoto aba emfama yewura Bawumia sana ni nyina ne say gyina na papa ni gyina ho no na onyina ho ewo ni pem na mbom no sika na asoma no vera sare memo akwa yeah, he was teapatos memo akwa aba pa kwaku boaten unity ne dia pro obia ye beko unity ye mature politics na ye enti mesrew emetna ha enka dia wo na afemu ahase a mobo victim approach na mo ye no you are victimizing yourself. You feel to be a victim to what? I don't know. You mona modern sem we nyina ba yo ye nka ye kini campaign amohya na modern sem semeba enti ene Obana meka, you assume na TB. Na cool down. Yes. Cool down. Munya is a victimization na more victimizing mo. Munya victim. Kennedy Acheampong supporters, mon phantom team say you guys are not victims. Munya victim game no. Munya mature politics. You should be a mature MPP supporter. Come and join the team and vote for Dr. Bawumia. Munya is a victim game now. Munya victims. You are the cost of everything. Apart from being a victim. You are the cost of everything apart from what? Being a victim. Entimunya mo sanema mo bana mo kana mo ya mo si unity. The ensem na mo come for Dr. Bawumia. Munya masa na me dem continue my discussions amedeba. Enti abusha ye to aso. Papa ne ye dede. Oti campaign platform so all can sama NCC so yemu brum ye di papa na chiache enti so ye say kura ye tiase oboni ti say kura we mean and we can understand what actually he want to say enti yemu brum timi tena chire study the movement and the way of talking of the man etumi gina platform we no so ka chire mo say ade na papa ne ye enye campaign no ye o onam ya danko dadade nene. I'm coming to show you some of his videos such as adanko dadade video we tie ni ye na ento asotie enema course 2024 pound we dey share video we mbra Ken we ye niema. In fact, ye juma etia MPP. Mo no can no vote for. Sure. After see Bawumia no. Sure. For ye juma tia MPP. Say MPP win ana. Say no can no vote no. Showdown no. Na no. And the showdown is say yaka enkoye kasa keke. Ye nya bibi na ewiasa fa na nyina hu say okure ye wotumi a yetumi ye den e de ye bibi. Enti mo ye den. Enti ye campaigning.
against Osono MPP party no. Na baby bia nso na MP a owo ho support Dr. Bawumia ye edwumatia no.
I see.
Enti okan kwes out. Ubo midi uko okan kwes out a. Obi a opua ma okan kwes out. Ye call opposition.
In somehow na chese 2024 ne de. Say na edwuma connected for no can no vote na se kire ni.
Enti abusia sawati ni yie pa. Enti Evans Doku ansa mesha ase na matwa bow amen na nwumre woni di no so enyansa na tie video na me boro o tie video na ase mewom Evans Doku Jimmy kwasi ampanyini o ma me aya ase o tie asem akwai kan ye video no tie bi me na America mo de mo beduru amanfo platform so a the munima ne nkwasi atemu de oba ma de obi atem. I'm telling you the truth on the line. I'm telling you the reality on the floor. Me see papa ni jina platforms so ye campaign the amount PP. Na ne supporters na ma bonten edi nkwasem ye campaign the Dr. Bawumia. Ono nso na wa beden wa encourage omo to do that against Dr. Bawumia. Me ka do kwase no Jimmy ni wanim kankan se kusia odiam de ka free ebonima wia. Ya boni nwisie. Ebe ka chem say you are foolish and ma me ya say what Jimmy mo da musimo Jimmy nkurasefo wo de na mo mfa mo Jimmy na say me say twa bom wa won mo yare wo ho mo sa no ke no vote for Jimmy fo bi no ma ye can politics am de mo di mo fu na wo your be adwuma now 7,000 workers na hwan don't go te or the president of Nigeria ni nyuma wa be presidency the money be I'm penyansa sem bi me na meka no me platform ase why Mr. Pa o Jimmy Ibrahim Mahama o de sika sponsor ni wi na be ye president say second Japan so ye be ma on fa ni sika sponsor Dr. Bawumia no my president no ni so mfa so na he can lead the country called Ghana Jimmy munni munyansa na ye Sunday papa bi me ye adwuma na wia and then me ko adwuma na wia entina yeah, fresh pa. Yeah, fresh. Evans Doku, what for Jimmy Bra? I will fire you very well. Say me catch them. Mosha say na mo di nkwase asem di tia Dr. Bawumia no. Ye catch them say mon kama no ntum. Na mo ye nkurasefo mo bi no mo ni ma twe ni ma kenkan. Mo ntumi nya research kura enhu ade bi emfa machire nipa. De mo ate sa amanfo e kana moka. So shut up. Ena musha ase na mo ye de mo ye ena semira Bawumia ena hwan won say ne this time premise no ye mo boot for boot afa na musha ase ye mo ho victim or hefa. Where are you people victims? You are not victim anywhere. You are the cause of mo na mo didn't attempt the ba MPP premise enti munya Jimmy no be mature me kan na waka bi me ka asem bi ana wo so waka fat enya atemudie come betra men kese kene Japan ya boy kwase men kan bi da men kan se kene Japan asimni kwase men kan bi da but kene Japan platform so ye didi Dr. Bawumia tem ye den type kura di na tema na ye we talk about fact. We explain to you why you should keep Dr. Bawumia on the race. Ya come on tia se omejana mu didi ni patem monko amufie na ye di atem ho me so na me wona na ba o Mwana naba maami ajo akra na no eya rough. Musu na me wana naba ti musu metime twa bi abo. Next time oba platform we so you cool down. Momento aso. Enti se utie video ya me bo kire wu ya. Enye me na me kan. Eye no can no vote for we are the king, we are connected. Ye ntrumufo ye ni jimifo no omubie na omu kan. Say me free party bim party na me free no mako contest say me pese me na me leader me contest ya the majority democratic word dodo no ne eteki decision na dodo na to atia wo ya to ya ma wunya 37%. Dr. Bawumia enya 62% wo mpo no so wonte ho ase na de onya 62% ono onka se na nchiro. Now let's go deeper. wo bi a wankasa wo party o wankasa wo party mu kura opo no wantumi ani nkunim wo si ye de wo kogina president ya you can win madam, who are the people that are going to work on the ground for you? Who are the people that are going to work on the ground for you? So party kura support wa mo de mo yare ya munim politics ya to aba wankasa wo party ni padodo na mokoto aba no ohamu nchichemu aduasanson ne toma wo papa na yede ne ko ye no ohamu nchichemu aduosia emienu ene toma no wo se wo mom na wo ye more favorable kwan benso na ye ka mo mayenka the videos are there, the evidence are there. Me bo akire wo ti ba bia kana Japan krofo ka say they were campaigning against MPP. Maria Makwabo no send this card the command MPP for e wo Kumase bona hafo no se mo nkoto aba. Mo nkoto aba identity ese ba omia lusu a omo de Kennedy beba. Na party also di akire. Party also wo na sponsor. Party also no ye the bigger financier in the party. Utumi etu hu si ho say oh bo party na bro. And you want us to shut up on that. It can never happen. Hey, me nkamba omia ni team no ho Ghana o. Yenom ne me ye atu ho acha adwuma. Aye, we are putting the right things at the right place. Me ye atu ho acha adwuma. Enti de me hu ne say ye nokore na me kan kire o. Enti me kan si so biem Kennedy Crawford munya victimization na you are not victims. Munya mo mature men na any more emphasis with fact and figures, evidence upon evidence. Eye se otibonsu kromfo sa okowie hiafo asase embra echechire no na ekobu ni dan a na ode akwa akoso asamira ba omia because you want to feel victim. You more person mo feel say moye victims of what? Uko wi obi asase enam so wo sika nti ukosi dan gidigidi no wa anwene se corona otim na ye mra na edidi so otibonsu wa anwene se corona otim no ye wo mra ne na edi enso na ye nti nwuram ye nti jungle so obi aso de oye de ope saa nkrofo na ose momisa o monsem papa na ofinance Kennedy Japan otibonsu no momisa ne se die nti a otumi sori ye ekowie obi asase asem no wo court ye di injunction aba ye di asem na bu asem ye nwie na wo so wo sika ntu di America kitikiti wo kwa kosi dan e de asu ohia ni bi asase so adentia wo sika the strong survive etimudam ye nya jungle guys so Ghana is a very well developed country and very civilized ye nya entimudam ye nya nkwasiafo enye the strong survive country ena ye Ghana enti ye de mra tenam enti mo mi so otibonsu no papa ne se papa panyina wanyina do say ya wo sika a wo de ho a wo nimde. Why did you do such an unlawful act instead of you to use it against Amira Baumia? Mo kan kwasi asem say mo ye victims che say wonwa say they won eya no mo ayo mo ho akati say mo no they are the strong men. Because nkwasiake kana ye omude with the fact and figure issues and issue-based discussion with the beto omo animo a na omo ahye ase e na ye de e na omo ahye hwan na ehunahuna wo na yankwati papa ba kun omo papa yi ogopie mo America we will not allow anybody to intimidate us. We will not allow anybody to who is intimidating you. What will be to intimidate you? You are the guy who wanted to intimidate the others. And I do what drew now was Samaya no. Yes, sir, dear Bacopedia Mouse genome. Next time you start talking like you will start behaving as a balanced man. Dear Druno, any sanga crack, Radema, Kennedy Japan in Crawford. Moncancho Tibons say, on can of credit to the Kennedy for no. Aye, because omana yetim no emra wo ho a ye na ye na ebie no emra ne protect ye. And if you want to live in a good country where laws does not favorite only the richest, but it takes in consideration of every citizen there, forget about Kennedy Acheampong because no ye patapa eye media mi go sika ka wano tum you are no one. Yes, enti the econo no yanto aso na enko ye ne na tie video we biem enti video we utia na wamana ye oya second Acheampong tumi ye adwuma we edit a Dr. Bawumia ni nyina ne se o se ya mana nwene tie
Pianema course 2024 pound we dey share video we mbra Ken we ye niema.
In fact, ye juma etia MPP.
I am no can no vote for.
Sure.
After see Bawumia no.
Sure.
For ye juma tia MPP. Say MPP winiana.
Say no can no vote no. Showdown no. No. And the showdown is say yaka enkoye kasa keke. Ye nye bibi na ewiasa fa na nyina hu say okure ye wotumi a yetumi ye den e de ye bibi.
Entimo ye den.
Enti ye campaigning against Osono MPP party no na baby bia nso na MP a owo ho e support Dr. Bawumia no ye edwuma tia no.
I see.
Enti okan kwes out ubo midi ukọ okan kwes out a obi a opua ma okan kwes out ye go opposition
in somehow na chese 2024 ne de say na edwuma connected for no can no vote na se kire ni okay okay
entity o so uti asem way say it is coming from Kennedy Acheampong supporters ano a didn't tell person make us Kennedy na cost to our lost ono a we num aye physical we obi awo wadi kan ba abontan be kan tre Ghana fo nyina say the elections were free and fair. Enti wono you can say nothing went wrong. Ema ye nyina ya juatum. Wa no be kan ye muntie video we ba na Kennedy kan kire Ghana fo nyina say the elections were free and fair. Tie video we.
I accept the results in good faith.
DJ Sky
DJs, I pledge my support that we're going to work tirelessly to break the eight. So, party members that we are here, we should put everything behind us and let's unite this party. With unity, I believe we can break the eight. And that is all I've been preaching for. So I congratulate the elections committee.
Entity obi a waba abontan be kan asem we ye nyina ye boy ensem ma wo afebra tie video we na yenko ye ni I want you to listen to this other video na tie nsem bi so amanfo e kan wo ha enti ne supporters no no vote for no they were doing things physical but na ye wo another ko binom so a omo so de na omo ye no na omo ye ne spiritual and the spiritual realms tie asema akwa we so kan wo ha Abra ono aba bonte say abato na yekoto ye ne bibia was in a good and everything was transparent, free and fair resource no. Still the man was anger in his mind. Now later me baba chiro de ntia no gina ho a no ye campaign. Me baba chiro ni nyina. Listen to what someone else said. Tio ye de kan tie enkrofo binom afeyente the spiritual realms no so wana no mudi Kennedy achi no in the spiritual realm yenti omuso de omukai
koso lidia ko kuma se beto abana say odu ba bia na ho de be kofom
didn't some of us say yeah adwuma no especially na me wasem bi wona me nsem nkan it say especially second we ni primaries the kura no ye wa adwuma bia se bi ekodi NDC fo achi ye ti MPP say yes reverse ni na ayesa happen universities
bring me back
tieni biem ebia na wante bia waso yie na tieni yie ai e fro se duku hwan akwa fa ne se o wan wa yira Evans Duku bi wasum na tie wabotai na wotai no hwan na de ball anopa upie na oyere force o de hye wa na se wasua ngoma druba bi na ya ball tie momentie tie ni bi
what have you koso leadia ko me se beto aba na say odu ba bi a na ho de be kofom
didn't some of us I see a juma no especially na me wasem bi wona me me nka ne see especially se ken win primaries de kura no ye wa juma bia se bi ekodi ndc fu achi ye ti MPPS ye sa reverse ni na aye sa party ne be says
hey bring me back
sawate anti Evans Doku Evans ti nyansa sawate kene Japan krofo so makoye dwumafo de TMPP amanyoko na so mo anye reversal of that adwuma bone na omo ye na party ne ntimi nkona nim na now yanto asori enko yanim die ntia na Kennedy ne fa eye campaign na ne fa nso kasa editia MPP amanyoko at the same time ni nyina ne se Byran Acheampong etwa sika 5 million Ghana cedis se Kennedy nje na onka na komanton yam na onkonko ye campaign no tio Byran Acheampong no anka se Kennedy Japan ni yam nipa ni yam akoda yes mama Esther Mekaipa me mama Esther say Mr. Mafo do you remember when I told you my sister told me during the reconciliation there was people doing underground dirty work for Ken. Remember I said this on your platform. I actually remember, mama. I actually remember this. Enti abusana yeko yanto asune nkwe na menche wade. Mama ama say he did that with a bitter heart, wicked and evil man. Yeah. Gladys Aji so say Ken is always praying the victim. Yeah. They are not even ashamed to say it in public. Yeah. No krepa won say yesi nipa boni bia no won say o ma no etesti ne character na kakra bia na wa hya ase no ye ne ho victim me say omunya mature people na nya mature politics say musu be di atema mu me ntwa moye ho ye twa boy ho wi a after 31st January ye nyina ye nsantena se ti se party ma na ye push the party to win election na asa mama me mo victims kra I am on cancer panini kusibuafo. Onkono nkobo Kennedy Japan videos old ones no. Ene nedia o ye de okwa amene koko kaye. Mama mo victim card no na ibe mana afono. Victim card e mana afono. Now obusiamfo. Yankore nkonko tie die ntia. Even though Kennedy was not feeling comfortable, but he decided to join the Dr. Bawumia campaign. Maybe share video ya say I told you before say you would Kennedy Japan no or ye nipa bi ame I have admired him for a very long time for his success in business but not for his quality as a presidential material for no to nchen na me san so catch us say papa we no oni loyalty oni enamfo oni principles oni ideas adia ba ku ekita papa no any interest ma me ya free plan mo akwaba ye friend interest enti Kennedy Japan ne nam ho no na chiwade kura no umani sika na chiwade kura obeyo enti papa na kuma munjo no na ne honto no na onyan healing himself from the defeat na he was not d'accord with himself to say yakoto abana ware na he was not even satisfied with the fact to say Dr. Bawumia anybody DMPP but said the nama Byran Acheampong edi sika koma no muntie me ye sika na Byran Acheampong de koma papa no wan kese je fatu ho oso de je na koye campaign adentia they know Kennedy Japan's background and they know how he is. Enti okoye eno disikano ekoma Kennedy Japan se onji sika eye 5 million na onkodi Bawumia chi enti Obia oye principle na obelieve say no oye righteous man. He is for the right thing, he is for the good thing. Why will you accept money to go and do what you did not wanted to do? Hey, ultimate threaten or Hawaii, ultimate threaten or Hakra, Upaya threaten sema, I will report you. May report you, we have show. Jimmy, pa, you cannot come here and threaten me. Oh, one we are card, the Bible from a Kurasini, Jimmy. Momento as you can say like a video na share mame. Ah mesropa. Say like a video na share. Unsubscribe yes and no subscribe to this channel. Now don't say esi adoma no so. Say the be ya. Ya ba life wa ubenya notification say about life no be join yen. Mame Masakin know he can't win but he just want to spoil doctor chance of winning, but this time it's not going to work. Of course it won't work. Mame Unity Abuaje memo akwa papa o te say yento asona yenko yanim enti papa na on the principle no ni idea because MPP no ultimately say he want to become a government a president and rule in the models of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah there. That should tell you say the man is confused politically. I tell you pa ari memo akwa papa MPP ni UP tradition ni Dombo Buzia Dankwa traditional. Otumi jina hoka say he wants to come to be a president and his mode of operandums will be like Dr. Kwame Nkrumah there. Utumi se wayira, but that is not what we are talking about. Ken to me transe Papa Oye principled Ghana first, youth employment. I love Ghana. I'm fighting. I'm anti-corrupt man. Can you Japan to me transe? Emani yemu ba Byran Acheampong. Eto. Yenka sene proud with 5 million Ghana cedis. Emma Kennedy Japan sorry kujina platform so. Into the reason why ya. Now who can Japan on the Dr. Bawumia platform sir. Now Timu said there was something not going well no. Ninyina say he was there because now your money 5 million Ghana cedis. Campaign or didn't hope join you know. He was not there to do the interest of the party, neither the interest of Dr. Bawumia, neither the success of Yewura Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, but he was there because Byran Acheampong small boy, I'm on 5 million Ghana cedis. And you know, he's going to do every dirty job. Even though Nana Adjune any the oil and so. And now, I said we come back in a fast so I told ya. Why fast so I told you and said, ye wo papa be a friend pious or no soon ojina mu dendende or ye spokesperson for Byran Acheampong. Na me dikan kan asem bi se me secret bi wo ene promise na ekom no mu a I will never say it to you but I will say it after 31st January. Ye wo spokesperson Emma Byran Acheampong a friend pious honorable pious akwana no ye attend minister for wine and wine ye say odi amamfo bi tu kwan propaganda bi NDC for create ya omodi confuse Ghana for say pious no wadi amamfo sika whatever. That man, on in the bar, bontin or bet you say, hey, what's he saying? Can I Japan on a more headed dinner, Muskano? A mimic candidate, Byran Acheampong, a man 5 million after the premise, and Sanopia Bontin say he wants to what? Campaign for his own party. The video, no, I am to us. Listen to the video here.
Key reasons ya modern bono nkuku no baye kesiesa no eye nkabo mu ana ni party no mo okay wetimi wakame no na abedosun bebre. Are we going to go into the 2028 elections for a repeat afei na showdown part 2 be ba na se de afei na obi so be ka se okay na no mimi ko ye no mo amboa me mo na mo ma me lusu nti adum so mo so enti atikatika be so mi ba be ye bi na 2 elephants no da bia na omo de no omo okuntokwa na efam fo no de ye bre enti no wono woni obi ani yera Dr. Byran Acheampong oni obi ani problem e wo ye party mu oni Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia asem bi ani omuntem won kan be bia da sem obetina party no matrete no won kan be bia da sa omuntem ye enti
tieni yo oti aso Pius sky no me se me nka de ho nkyerɛ fo wadwene bu oti de Pius sky no osi Byran Acheampong tumi ngina ba bia nka se obetina party no na watete Dr. Bawumia okay se brebi kana Japan chance ya oye na me wosika na me wosika na me wosika moka se Byran Acheampong so ba abonten be kan face to face say papa kawano tum na ye kan ni pa odi ni sika bu apati ya me a indirect communications indirect communications but yen nsem nyina ene betuma bie ya no aka yen to aba ni wie ye to aba ni wie a we will open the file and we will read everything to you until listen very carefully. Asono fom ye nu ntumi nko emaye nkodo 2028 na akwa yese party ni mu achemienu pepepe Kennedy Japan won supporters Dr. Bawumia won supporters na ye gufom dabi ye be divide dim kakra Dr. Bawumia nkrofo no they will still remain Dr. Bawumia nkrofo akwa bi ne camp ye gu no intellectually ye pa papa bi ne camp ye gu no because that is the only way the majority of the party will be stronger than one person's personal and greedy ideas. Mi bube yento ado.
No se onunu dinku ni mu a enye dini se Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia eni ni chita for ebe ba be ka no ho. Sanso na yera Kennedy Okumpreko Agyapong. Only any problem. They have an excellent relationship. In fact, you 2023 primaries, nkuko no ba yera Kennedy afano. Oti da kakra, yera Byran Acheampong ne frɛ no. Ehye no kran se da bi entene fie pie, ye campaign ma wonu apanyin. Ye campaign se wonu aketwa wo se ye campaign ma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. But bia usu sisia na wo free contest mo. Enti bia honde na kofem. Meka akra ni egie 5 million cedis. Anka ne sika 50 billion G Pia Bontin Buaunia
Odema
Kennedy Japan. That's right.
A car and 5 million cedis.
Not a car.
Okay.
You see what car me car crane.
I'm a car crane. I'm a car ni. Me car crane.
Yes, G
5 million cedis to say on fan stepping out.
No, no stepping out. Because to be fair to Yura Kennedy, now we are now also free contest.
Yeah.
And the ABA among the back of Mukatra. And to friend now to for some campaign. Famikono and no Yura no open kabumintino. Yura Dr. Byran Acheampong open kabumpuno. Any campaign grano. Now or THA engineer unity say will be abeba on board. And the only Yura Kennedy soon need problem. And you would drink kunima. And yet didn't say Kennedy any cheetah for. So beba betanachi and anya se djuma no so abrantie ontumi nye adansie bia obia analysis bia obia beye no ye cancer ni a oye bold ni obetumi adi pragmatic steps abba develop a workable vision translated into a manifesto MPP ye boomaya Ghana for who be high one chinde bia ni was a Dr. Byran Acheampong betumi aye not a car.
Okay.
You see what car me car that's right.
A car and 5
can sika 50 billion G Pia kofem me car crane G 5 million cedis anka ne sika 50 billion G Pia Bontin Buaunia
Odema
Kennedy Japan. That's right.
A car and 5 million cedis.
Not a car.
Okay.
You see what car me car crane.
I'm a car crane. I'm a car ni. Me car crane.
Yes, G
5 million cedis to say on fan stepping out.
No stepping out. because to be fair to Yura Kennedy, nanu ya na ono so free contest. Enti ebia amonde be kofe mu kakra. Enti wo friend na wo tuni fuso nkoye campaign a fami kono we. Enti no Yura no open kabom enti no Yura Dr. Byran Acheampong open kabom po no enye ni campaign kura no na o tiechire engineer unity say obi abeba on board. Enti oni Yura Kennedy soon ni problem.
Enti abusanfo de ekono no me wosika no etumi de 5 million Ghana cedis etono e mane ye de na on pese obeyo. In fact, there is nobody on this platform obetumi general can kire me say the Agyapong manner of doing campaign in 2016 and the compare 2024 the manner of doing campaign a mistake and I say problematic anyhow. Any biana you don't want to be honest with you. In fact, say a Kennedy it me use the net 2 in years past before 2024. Now ultimately lashe Sabio John Daragadramani Mahama pa na o de compare 2024 campaign 2023 before 2024 December 2024 yes. O de compare. You cannot tell me say you don't see something strange in the way Anaken any campaign. Ninyina say he was not there with the heart, but he was there because he was paid to come and campaign. Now enam greediness, any selfish intino, want to me and Jawan Kase Dabi, Makumampe, Intimenko, or Masika, override there the personal pride. Temiepa Omasika override the personal pride. That is the same reason and Kennedy Agyapong ejina mu denden say Yamani Mramedi president because of money, because of his personal interest, because of possibilities being a state capturing ideas be a one team. That is why he's forcing himself on the MPP. Because if he becomes a flag bearer and not a president, even a flag bearer position will give him a lot of possibilities with the NDC sitting president because they are one. And that will collapse MPP. Second, be a presidential candidate here. NDC will overcome MPP because no, I can't know. Now me, I don't understand. Mami, Nana Akuya from Mwakwa pa. Mentiasie di nti amanfo ntiasie. A potential opposition leader say he cannot criticize the sitting government. Tiemiye pa. Potential opposition leader. Etimi bien ano ehwe wanim wo a oti opposition a wo ho kire wo. Na wo ye adwuma wo next wo hospital a ye yi wadi because wo nya ndisi ni. One another danko Akufo-Addo ACC agenda 111 across the country. Now we are nurse, we are doctor, we need that so. Say it is coming to create huge space for jobs. Ya abando and I assess as a woman, as a man, as a woman. And these full soldiers. So among konko ye water, brew water guide for. And I apam war free office. Temiye Obia na wo ye sabio. Agenda 111 offended day, one district, one factory, beneficiary, either a worker or private person. Now who make you advantage, who make you money. Your life was going on because of one district, one factory. Now you buy, now you abolish that initiative. Now you see a young kuko bonketenketia, ya this Sikema and DC big man. So monjem fanya pottery. Awotia bontina wusuno. Papa no se koto abama no medu party na nim no fighting mount. Said that chibi MPP betuma bedi akonwa na wo so ho ato kakra no. Ono ka kire wo say he has nothing to say against the sitting president. Now wo so ye delegate. Na nipa kan se mo eche na wo so koto abama na from 2026 and coping 2028. Who is going to create holes in the initiatives and the policies of the sitting government? Opposition leader say emfa ne ho enye na asem on to me criticize aban man ye ye wadwene ho de me maame Monica Mwakwaba ena Miriam Morrison Kwesi Morrison also Mwakwaba pa wadwene ho ye said the potential opposition leader cannot criticize the sitting government. Papa we say koto abama na wo so wagye atum say no can no vote. Do you think odwene ko akire de abusia politics enye asori kro politics enye communion amanyo sem enye bosonsom amanyo sem eye rational and intellectual discussions. And this opposition that can't say on criticize president and kese nyankopon ebechre mi wu nyankopon me your papa meko heaven amanyo semu heaven nim. And if I were to team na kan hu say wan koto aba ma Dr. Bawumia, you automatically want to collapse your party that you belong to. And na de wo ho no yen to aso yen ko ni meso say like video na share na comment ma me na yen ko yanim sa so na meso say o person support to Ras Media platform na obetumi join Ras Media community so be a subscription no most ya try join onyoma so you can decide on which amount you want to use to support Ras Media every month. Minya Ivazankama Kofi and Steven Apia ene miwianom mienu nkaya omwaka omode oma subscriber they support Ras Media every month with a little amount of money yenso no yede eyeden eye niam nketenkete ema yejuma yeye na koso some little expenses bi itumi e de support to ye ho ema bibia koso enti say also person won support to you can do that by going to subscription button ne nchen ho Bose yatre se join onuma so a ebe ma process na wa follow na wa beka Ras Media community no na asem we beto odwa no madi kan kire o mu abeduru ha asem ne beto odwa no yenwia kwakudawuro ni na badwamfo etena ase omo nso no omo de nkyerɛkyerɛ mu kakra ebaaye concerning the fact say sabio Kennedy Japan no kore se wa gisa 5 million no ene wayi nani ti said the opanyini ata ewodwam anka nkyere obia ene odi nanim ebedi campaign no ma sabi on hyira nka bibia why not said the onte de ekobia no enti yankone nkonkotie Mr. Dawuro ene na tiefo yeba na yato aso ye free video ya na yekɔ alancash ne nsɛm no more things are popping up yankone mla sisia
for general election campaign no make a Peter say yeni apenyi aye born e din say man 5 million because say campaign na ye no ye na ni mumu naka me kaye now Peter and me ya argument kakra say ono you say he was committed to the cause this is not commitment ni pa na minim no pa no ne kasa because all four platforms and now I say ya di money ya di party for grassroots ya di omo boni e say pa omo cho. You are campaigning to win an election. You are campaigning to win an election, general election. Ofoswa now we incite or party grassroots against government, any party no. And I mean who say a day way. Bibiwo. Now me nim say sana even that to crown on full platform. Cause say we have sinned against grassroots. We have left them. Yeah, did ya jomo. Sana sadie no okoye no kra support bi bae 5 million is got 5 million yeah odupa na mama 5 million we Kazidere nke no na ka me ba ruma me ya busa ya ni ka say ya 5 million na sana 5 million na yedi pia you know yedi encourage papa no so me campaign ma Dr. Mahom na na obese campaign no ka nim say ampa na nya 18,150 dabe na pious cancer win Peter dabe na pious cancer win Peter asafe na apia on say bro wan na issue letter amu be issue letter 5 million no mu be ya where the 5 million ka only na 5 million no waka say you masa tobo 5 million ya anka say on fan koye campaign ama yo ye de che no say eno na ye de tight no ti me na ni bi say Now be that a inducement and I say a bribery. Yeah, the enticing or enticement because you are a man of 5 million no anka. Yes, and at least what says can way Nakoboa only a get to a campaign. And the campaign after taking 5 million no crown or say Muma. You on the ground, or I just go away with only about me. MBB lose election no and do 2 months now you organize is or declare it was contesting 2028 election so now 5 million was facilitating something else not in support but you see a crack no omo accuse Dr. Mahmoud Baumia na say ono na ma MPP lose election since any idea so a lot of them including the candidates in Ankasa candidates no almost spokesperson almost scandals from day one and this for you so you are through the 8 years no e ka ho and a gun of obufu at least scandals association members at least scandals no almost start here obi to say nobody o more relax omo frame obi to say moving boss ni pai after Robin, MPP bar power pet on the first 3 months moving Pina. Boss scandal. Allegations, no allegations. But NDC for you so yes throughout the period. And all Mudie scandal style Emma a black one and then the call for Muteki. Okofa Nepa or Kasa Sia. Pious Ahajide allegations of anyway allegations so but and this what you saw against MPP throughout the 8 years says this Australia visa scandal they affect MPP ni na ka ho and a gun of obufu here Okofa former Western North minister we are also donating office right conference as office Peter Jojo Roxon what can I say national youth authority youth authority only say now a deputy CEO yes sir on me abortion no money deputies to many are not northern guy we are Peter Kayen class prefect. Peter Kayen. He was there. Why is the manager? Oh, and all the say two coins or rest of UK. Okay. Another scandal no account. NDC for you sue against youth employment aid, use Ghana youth youth authority, national youth authority. Omoye against Aisa and the coye. Sir, last mobile needing. The owner nam the cover kuno jedu abajedu won say abajedu ona koyi amount for the predecessor no boss o na boss employ ni pa na 100 no ono koyi MBB for na oyi omu nyina such people are going around say about me and me school placement and no make count school placement we know that a spokesperson for Ken not a PRO he's a young man he's a brilliant young man me penasem but sometimes he goes overboard but me penasem he's a I always advise a young guys now no bano sometimes you have a future when you follow there Udi omichina se oka sema na enya it will affect you because omodi omoko omodi omonko baby a president every omodi be answer no mako but you have a future to go no what minister of education they were giving out figures to President Akufo-Addo Eka say 5.7 million people benefit of a senior high school. MPP free power no figures no answers. Mrs. School placement. Honorable ya educhum na minister for education or no kwezi kwadi you know. And my MP for bufu to the extent school placement. MPP for bufu to the extent because of school fees is almost so.
We are break.
Monko to aba. Yes, so more yen ma mon fa yan kan yen benefit. Me am today. Me niece. Unim say abambia ba and yes just abambia you will be a friend some percentage I the more protocol Peter.
And you will be
I will be me and me wo he. Na me for grade B school or a equipping area me come the mini or mukoshia mini minister me you go share almost say if I'm rammed by because you got to know minister man kasa me manya me didi no koye me deche sa manya and this affected many MPP supporters. Why are the people so bit to honor say Baumia ne ma ye lusu ya nam ka say ntina Baumia ne wo minister of education o minister of agriculture call no for na ho share fertilizer distribution me call no for na January ko ti asem o mo ka about MPP aban and agriculture minister na owo ho ansa na ebe free ho wo de call no for na ko ti me I was in January we
craft fertilizer na be go ne gudemo
me say
na kuya ni pedi aye adwuma na wonya
edi amon bo wo de some will be on checking about fertilizer distribution ni bibia fertilizer management ni bibia at that time nina amount for bufu ya moto tia MPP so sorry na say was Baumia the minister for agric Ghana gas no be wo for how many years no e bo chama yen tutu gas bono na ye Baumia na e wo ho
oh yeah so your boy chama only to me wo gas bono aye too
who told you jobs now recruitment ni bibia na Baumia na ye recruitment ni all this na Baumia na ye Dr. Baumia na ye nti masa election e lusu ye MPP na lose
play part
MPP na lose election. The fact is MPP lose here. What is important is the MPP now lose election should focus and come together. You say election will lose and you say next time you cannot win. But they should stop attacking one person. So one person more attacking one person now. And the me have told about Mia's people say they cannot behave like what happened in NDC when they were contesting their national election. They are saying don't get the idea of example. No, party unity, or so forth. They say politically. Of example, I say don't get the say no. One was a presidential airborne. What in the he was a run. He was a for your friend saying. He was a front runner. But they say
you cannot be a front runner, but a forerunner.
He was
one of the front runners. One of.
Yes. Say what you need. I said
Enti abusianfo de ekono no se wutie nsem ni yi a enokre Kenya Japan 5 million oje ode obeye de na koma mpe de na dwene mpe de ni proud ankasa mpe because of money ena ya boboso a kire mo no Kenya Japan kwasi ko aten he was the PRO for Ghana Education Service placement school placement kura no MPP for my school kura kwa no kura yi na ni te se de emfa ne ho because omo agenda na ni nyina ne say yemma Dr. Baomian lusu na say Dr. Baomian lusu a in the next election no yatumi the Kennedy Japan aba amana ba yeden abe candidate na asem na medwene wada bia mente asese na mokura munya 37% mo amunya 37% mo se mo ntem ho ase na de nya 62% so onka de ade for the benefit of the people who just came. This is we are for Ken, no vote for their message about the 2024 election. Video we see we will shift into Alan Chamantin's case.
Nyama course 2024 pound. We the share video we mbra. Hey Ken, we nyama.
In fact, ye Juma etia MPP.
No can no vote for.
Sure.
After see Baumia sure. For ye Juma tia MPP. 7 MPP winiana.
No can no vote no. Showdown no. No. And the showdown is say yaka enkoye kasa keke. Ye nye bibi na ewiasa fa na nyina hu say okure ye wotumi a yetumi ye den e de ye bibi.
Ntimo ye den.
Enti ye campaigning against sono MPP party no na baby bia nso a na MP a owo ho e support Dr. Bawumia no ye eduma tia no.
I see.
Enti okan kwe south ubo midi uko okan kwe south a obi a opua ma okan kwe south ye go opposition
in somehow na kire se 2024 ne de say na eduma connected for no can no vote na se kire ni
koso libya ko kuma se beto abana say odu ba bia na ho de be kofom
didn't some of us say yeah adwuma no especially na me wasem bi wona me nsem nka ne sisi especially say ken we ni primaries de kura no ye wa adwuma bia se bi ye kodi ndc fu achi ye ti MPP ye sa reverse ni ayesa ha party ne be says
bring me back.